Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. Now this is a question from quadratic equations class 10, but this particular question can square anybody, okay? So if we will have to see this carefully, okay, we have to prove that 2b equals to a plus c provided the roots of this particular quadratic equation. Yes, quadratic equation because it has got x to the power 2. Here x clinging to this certain expression and a minus b as c equals to 0 have roots equal. Let me repeat. The roots of this quadratic equation are equal, and on the basis of this we have to prove that 2b will be equal to the sum of a plus c. Now at the face value this seems little complicated, little intriguing, also seems a bit impossible for many of us, as how do we go ahead and prove this statement. But believe me, this can be very easy once we are able to understand what steps we have to do. Okay, so for solution, we have to bring down the question. All right guys, so we have b minus c x square c minus a x plus a minus b equals to 0. Now, what do we know? We know that, when as they claim that the roots of this quadratic equation are equal. So when the roots of a quadratic equation are equal, then d, the discriminant, got to be equal to b square minus 4ac, isn't it? Now we have to find our b, a and c from the quadratic equation given here or here. Now this will be also equal to 0, when they claim that roots of a certain quadratic equation are equal. Correct? So we can easily solve now because we know that b square minus 4ac equals to 0, which is nothing but the discriminant, which we write as a capital D. What is a b? B is one that is a coefficient of x having a power of 1. A is the coefficient of x to the power 2, which is b minus c. And what's our c? A minus b. Am I right? So let's go ahead and crack this. We can do it. C minus a whole square, therefore b square minus 4 dot, what is my a is b minus c and my c is a minus b, all right, equals to 0, isn't it? Now let us expand this. So since we know that since a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, we can do the same for this. So we get c square plus a square minus 2ca, right? Now here we have to be little careful. So first let us multiply these two, okay? So b into a is what? ab, correct? So let me do it separately. So this comes to be ab. B into a is this. Then b into minus b will be minus b square, right? Minus c into a is minus ca, and minus c into minus b is plus bc. Okay? In our next step, we have c square plus a square minus 2ca, and let's multiply with 4 now, minus 4. So minus 4 multiplied by AB plus AB is minus 4AB, minus minus plus, so we get 4B square, minus minus plus, we get 4CA, and minus plus minus 4BC. Got it? Hence, we find that we have something very relatable. How? Because if this is 4CA, we have a minus CA here. So in that case, okay, if we were to subtract minus 2CA, we'll get 2CA as positive here. So let us do that. C square plus A square plus, okay, what do we get? 2CA, isn't it? Now they don't change at all, so we can bring them down. 4AB plus 4B square and minus 4BC. Alright, what next? Now we know that, okay, since A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Am I right? Do we see anything like that in this? We see it, but partially. Because to most of us, these minus signs may confuse us. But we can, okay, fix them well. Okay, how? I'll show you. So we have C square plus A square. Can we bring this, okay, in terms of, okay, first let me bring 4B square straight away. Let me push this 2CA here, okay, then I can bring 4AB and minus 4BC. Alright, now what about this? While we get an A square already here, A square here, to this we have to think. Why do we have to think? Because if we notice carefully, wherever there are B's, the sign is negative. But wherever we have C or A, we have a positive sign. You can never get a positive sign if either C or A had to have a minus sign, which means that maintaining all the pluses sign, we can put this in bracket as 2b whole square for 4b square, right? Which means here we have 2ca, this portion, then here let's maintain positive here, 2 dot A dot and Again, a dot means multiplication. Minus 2b, isn't it? 2 into a into minus 2b will give me as minus 4ab. Alright guys. And again here a positive sign here. And what do we have? 2 dot minus 2b and dot c will give me minus 4bc, isn't it? Which means this entire thing is in alignment with this identity, a plus b plus c whole square. So can we not write our a's and b's and c's, okay, pulled from this? So what is our a? C, a and plus minus 2b whole square. This entire thing is equal to this. So when we solve this further, we can easily write as a plus c plus minus minus 2b. Okay. So let me write equals to 0 as we had to maintain that. Why so? Because we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Alright guys. So this 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, when 2b goes to the other side, a plus c will be equal to 2b, or just like given above, we can write 2b equals to a plus c. Okay, hence proved. Got it? Got it? So this is how, okay, some, okay, of you may get scared by the look of it, but when you straighten it up, it doesn't seem so scary. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood this well. You don't have to hurry, okay? You can go back and watch the video, pause it, okay, and try and understand every step of it. But if I were to go through it once again to reinforce, I would say that from this I pick out, okay, d equals to 0 because they have said my roots are equal to, okay, equal to each other. When my roots, what are roots? Roots are the solutions of x. X के value. What is the value of x? To that we call roots. Am I right? What value of x would you put over here or here so that everything becomes 0? Got it? So when we solve this, okay, by bringing our b squared here and 4 here and a from here and c from here, and then multiply, okay, this side this and this by following the identity, okay, we try and simplify this, okay. When we simplify this, we get, okay, our 3 squares here, and our 2ab and 2bc and 2ca like I've shown it here. Got it? And having found that, we write this form here, which is c plus a plus, okay, in bracket minus 2b, okay, and the entire thing is squared. So when the square goes to the other side, okay, I mean, if it goes to the other side, if you square root a 0, then also it will become 0. Okay, a square root of 0 is equal to 0, which means what? We have a plus c, okay, and minus 2b will go to the other side as plus 2b. So as a result, we finally get to prove what they have asked for. 2b is taking this side and this will go to the other side. Alright, so hence proved. Okay, in case you have any queries, certain things that you have not understood, do ask me in the comment section. there's nothing to hesitate. I'm a teacher and I will help you understand this, guys. No inhibitions at all. Okay, so bye bye for now. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time watching my videos. In case you have not subscribed, I would ask you earnestly to do subscribe my channel